So guys, whenever we hear these kind of insane packages which some of the major tech companies offer to the entrepreneurs, so that actually begets this question that which all are the astrological combination which can actually make you a tech genius. So for that, in the astrological chart, you have to first give attention to the Mercury. Now if you will find that Mercury to be exalted in the Virgo sign, even if Mercury is making a conjunction with Rahu, Mercury conjunct with Saturn, it will enhance the qualities of the Mercury. In the tech sector guys, and connecting it with astrology, the Trikona, the trine of the intellect and innovation is the 3rd house, 5th house and the 9th house. All the futuristic philosophy, vision we see from the 9th house, creative thinking is from the 5th house, and all the applied sciences we see from the 3rd house. So you have to see the strengthened Mercury in the chart. You have to see how planets and how the lord of these 3 houses are placed in the chart. Along with that, Saturn is important because the systematic work and consistency comes from the planet Saturn. Moon is very important for the intuitive aspect, and they're like certain nakshatras guys, like for example the whole domain of the Aquarius sign. So in the Aquarius, the nakshatra of the Dhanishta, Sadbhisha, Purvabhadrapada. Along with that, Hasta nakshatra could be one of that, which is very supportive. Swati nakshatra is very supportive. Ashlesha nakshatra is very supportive. And matching everything, if the native gets the dasha of the, like the Mahadasha of the Rahu, of the Mercury, of the Saturn, so combining everything, we could say that this person is a tech genius, and in the right dasha, in the right planetary time period, he can actually catapult to a success.